Hi guys, just want to shoot a quick video to support one of the queries that popped up on Facebook around doing something with the Olympics and Excel. So here we go. Just look, I want to show you if I go back and grab something off the 2016 tally. This is from Wikipedia, and you copy and paste. This is what it's going to look like in Excel. You get a lot of bit of formatting, all the flags and stuff coming through, and they'll appear as images. And possibly a better way to do this, and something that people don't know too much about, is that we can click on a new sheet, and then I'm going to click on data and then say get data, and we can go to get data from other sources, and I'm going to select the web. So if I put in that same URL of where that data sits inside of the web, so I'll just grab that URL, grab that URL there, paste that in, and click OK. Excel's going to weave its magic and turn around and say, okay, what do you want? And I'll say, yeah, give me this tally here, that looks about right. And I'll say load, and then I'll have one more window that pops up where I can actually then load that data straight onto the page. Okay, from there, another brilliant tool not many people know about, but we can actually select all of the countries, and clicking on the data tab again, we can select the data type that is geography, and give that a few seconds. That's actually going to link up the data that's in my spreadsheet along with data that lives online for all these countries. And when it comes through, you're going to see all these little maps that appear next to each of the names of the countries. So from there, I'll close those windows. What you can do then is click on the little tab that appears, and then you can see that I can grab a whole bunch of things in here. It might be that I want to challenge the kids to find something like maybe mapping the amount of medals per population, and then rejigging the order of the tally and seeing what I get. It might be so, I'll have to expand that so that data comes through properly. Or it might be that I can choose things like the area of land that country occupies. And again, just manipulating data to rejig a tally. Thought that might help in terms of just throwing a bit of spice into doing something around the Olympics. Hope that helps.